At San Juan Pools, our commitment has always been to build the highest quality pools in the world. All of our pools are crafted using hand-laid solid sheets of fiberglass. No shortcuts, no compromises. While it's common for some manufacturers to use Chop Fiberglass, a method where shards of fiberglass are glued together to form layers, we proudly steer clear of this practice. Why? Because it leads to non-solid layers that result in weaker walls. We're all about strength and durability. We believe in investing in quality rather than cutting corners. Even if it means spending a tad more, we prioritize the highest level of satisfaction for our cherished customers. Our growth isn't driven by cutting costs but by our world-renowned reputation for building superior fiberglass pools. Your dream pool awaits. Our passion? Helping homeowners like you find the perfect swimming pool for memorable moments with family and friends. With the most expansive network of fiberglass pool dealers nationwide, we're confident we can connect you with the best dealer to bring your dream backyard to life. So why wait? Dive into quality, strength, and unmatched excellence with San Juan Pools. Let's make a splash together. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.